MedTech Innovation for Health Cloud lets organizations efficiently manage commercial processes, personalize provider relationships, and drive connectivity across teams. Sales professionals can visualize real-time analytics across their business from one single screen to quickly see new opportunities, run rate performance, and medical device field inventory. Account teams can manage their run rate business more efficiently with visibility into sales agreement terms like planned volume commitments and tiered pricing, and address any volume, revenue, or profitability leakage. They can forecast sales volume for key accounts at the product level by looking at historical trends and forward-looking account and market growth factors. Then, edit and collaborate around forecasts with extended teams, all from within the same screen. Sales teams have a 360-degree view of every provider, with details like affiliations, specialties, credentials, and more, so they can personalize their interactions and engage more effectively with providers. Sales professionals can take Health Cloud on the road with field visit and inventory management from any device. With visibility into field inventory data and projections, they can proactively address shortfalls for upcoming visits by requesting product transfers from nearby locations. Then, access visit schedules and complete predefined tasks with out-of-the-box flows customized for each business to ensure every surgical case coverage is successful, while creating and authorizing new orders, all from their mobile device. See how to improve sales team engagement, drive commercial excellence, and create customer-centric experiences from anywhere with Health Cloud.